This is a KOCO 5 First Alert Weather Severe Weather Update.
You are not missing any of American Idol. I want to give you an update right now on this cluster of storms down to the southwest. Brand new tornado warning was just issued about a minute ago. Right now it is projected to stay outside of the KOCO 5 viewing area. It is going to be south of Altus, moving to the east, making a run towards Snyder, Manitou, and eventually into Comanche County here. It's going to be the circulation right on top of 283, just east of Lusty. Let me check in with Storm Command. Michael, tornado warning issued here. What are you seeing from Storm Command?
Yeah, we're right under it. So you're seeing my spin, my 360 camera right now. And it right now, Damon, has a very, very low hanging wall cloud. It's very ragged. We've been with it. It's the same area that I was talking about a little bit earlier. I've not seen any funnels, but I've seen a lot of rotation in the cloud base. So I'm just going to bring my 360 camera back around. That's looking back toward Lusty, and that is going to be looking up toward Altus right there. So this storm is, the tornadic portion of it is south of Altus and will stay south of Altus, but it is going to be moving up to the east-northeast toward Humphreys and eventually toward Hedrick as well. So we'll continue to watch the storm. As of right now, no tornado, but it is spinning.
Yeah, it certainly is, and it's not moving very fast at about 20 miles per hour. Let's go back over to the radar here. Our crews are out watching it. Shane, Buck, we have Amanda, we have Mike. Big hailstorm, by the way, up near Granite and Mangum. That storm at one point was warned for tennis balls. That's lifting up to the northeast, but this tornado warning right now is tracking to the east-northeast and projected to make its way into Comanche County. We're going to continue to watch it here. Keep it with KOCO 5 News. We'll bring you the first alert.